Hi everyone. It's Harry here. In this video I shall talk to you about Artemis. Artemis is the immortal Greek goddess who is the daughter of the god Zeus. Her mother is the Titan goddess Leto. Artemis is the twin of Apollon. She can perfectly use bow and arrows. Artemis is a healer, but she can also bring on disease and death. She lives on Mount Olympus together with the other 12 gods. Artemis is the virgin huntress and a protector of chastity. Her domains are archery, the wilderness, the wildlife, the hunt, and the moon. She is the goddess of nature, and she protects the hunters, childbirth, as well as the young. Artemis will fly tomorrow from Kennedy Space Center, in Florida, carrying the Orion capsule and will travel about 1.3 million miles over the course of 42 days. She will carry no crew on board. Artemis will carry with it the promise that we neither take contaminants to other worlds, nor allow pathogens to come to our Earth. Artemis hopefully will protect spaceship Earth whilst it explores possible commercial and technological innovations on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But above all, Artemis' success will bolster our hopes and dreams for a better tomorrow. My next video is coming soon, and I hope to see you there.